How's it going, everybody? Tim with LiveCaseBreak.com here, doing some personals on a Thursday evening. The Braves and Dodgers on in the background. Alright, we got 10 gold labels for Crowder. Box of one. Let's see what the Bichette looks like in here. I haven't seen it myself yet. Alright, here's the base for pack one. Resume. There's a Bichette Class 2. Boy, that's pretty. Big Mac Class 3. Cool image on there. Again, if anybody didn't know what the classes stand for, each player has a has 3 of them, and each one will have a different image than the other. There's Trout's Class 1. There's a black parallel right there. There's a Nico Class 3. There's a KB Class 1. And that's the gist. And all 3 classes also have numbered parallels. They are different than most. They're different than each one, though. Like the Class 1 parallel will be lower numbered or higher numbered than the Class 3 parallel, the same color. Soler, Posey, first auto, Hunter Harvey. Beautiful card, I gotta say. Clean auto, too. Hunter Harvey first auto. There we go, box 2.
As business moves forward, we're all changing the way things get done. Like how we redefine collaboration. How we come up with new ways to serve our customers.
Chases and gold label are the patch autos, by the way. And apparently the gold nuggets. I do remember pulling one last year. Just popped into my memory.
You can rely on the people and the network of AT&T.
First numbered parallel coming up, too.
To help keep your business connected.
What if you could buy online at Discount Tire?
There's a blue Acuna 150 out of 150. That is a beautiful card. Okay, sounds good, Greg. I will put it into your ship file then.
Find out more at discounttire.com. You know what beats next day shipping? Getting it the same.
Somebody earlier, like about 30 minutes ago, asked me to grade a card, and I definitely forgot which one it was.
Or get what you need delivered the very same day you order.
I don't know if you're still in the room or not.
How do I love thee? Let me count the waves.
Just remembered, didn't write it down. I don't know who it was. Something from Bowman Chrome. Hopefully they shot me a Facebook message too. Bieber and Anderson, Jake Rogers. They really improved the quality of these.
And 0 to 60 in 3.
2 rough names so far, Rogers and Harvey, but man, they are pretty.
This is the M8 competition.
Box number
the most powerful
3.
BMW ever.
Gold Marsano. Ronnie, you are a saint. Got it in my head now, I won't forget. Redemption. Bo or Robert. They're both redemptions, Crowder. You could pick one player on the checklist. Trout, Crowder. Nice Bo Class 1.
What's that?
New slices and sticks. Half pizza, half Italian cheese sticks. What's that?
There's Ichiro's Class 3 image.
An unexpected combination. Just $6.
Take yours away!
Pizza.
Got our first red coming up. Reds are the lowest numbered parallel. For Class 1s, they're out of 75. For Class 3s, they're out of 25. I believe golds are 101s, if anybody knows. Thanks, Ronnie.
Twix, cookies and cream.
Appreciate it. Actually, that does not need to go on the PSA stack.
Welcome back to the NLCS, presented by Camping World.
Yoshi Class 2 and a Brendan McKay Class 1. Redemption time. Here we go. I know Bo and Robert are redemptions. I know there's also some other names. Good luck. Framed autograph card black parallel. Yes, there are jumbo frame relics too. Yep. Woo boy, Bo Bichette. Probably the best, second best, third best name on the redemptions you could hit. Robert's probably worth more. But it's Bo! Nice card, man. We'll get a redeem.
Ball just kind of comes out of his hand, and next thing you know,
I don't know what the black parallels on the frames are numbered to. Anybody got the checklist, Sandy? Feel free to let me know.
you think you're going to catch the ball. and the
Sweet,
ball
Crowder.
catches you.
Sweet, sweet.
Right there, 95.
I agree, Steve.
Heavy ball or late life, however
Maybe there'll be another.
when you play catch with somebody, you go to catch them.
Definitely better.
Man,
Live frame in this box. But yeah, the jumbo patch autos, Greg, are what you're thinking of. Those are like the chase cards in this.
lays off. 2-2.
Like white whales and triple threads.
Kenny Rosenthal went through the amazing story
Gold Nugget was
of
definitely.
Tyler
Yeah.
Matzik, former first-round pick by
Cool Machado.
Colorado.
Nice Otani, too.
2 different years had to pitch in independent
I just love that the
baseball.
text is so big that you can easily see it when you're flipping through like this. Makes this product much easier to go through. There's a Mookie 3. Seems like the 3s are a little rarer too. It's nice Jackie Robinson. Only a couple per box. I felt like last year there were quite a few. There's a Class 2 Reds. The Class 2 Reds, like I said earlier, numbered out of 50. Blacks are out of 75, so that's a Bo rookie auto frame out of 75, man. Pretty card. Your fourth auto is going to be a Griffey, Contreras, Junior Fernandez. There's the black frame. 56 out of 75. Very nice.
Darnell apologized to the home plate umpire, Corey Blazer. He missed it, and that came back and caught the umpire, I believe, right in the mask. And Seager makes sure the umpire's okay, and Darnell apologetic immediately.
Another live frame.
Yeah, that just took a horrible bounce. There's nothing. I mean, I know Darnell was coming. I got to block that ball. That ball took a hit something that went completely the other way. Sorry to say that if the Dodgers don't come back, they're down by 6 here in the 8th. They will go into tomorrow night, Game 5.
It's like a red popping out here in a second. Class 1 red, Blackman out of 75.
He is now 2 for 14. No homers, no RBIs, no steals, nothing.
Harper's Class 3.
On the infield for Riley.
The Robert rookie. Got a chippy edge, though, so calm C on that one. Black parallel on the Robert. First Robert rookie we've seen.
At the James at Ohio State, their vision is to create a cancer-free world.
Storian
Visit them
Bregman.
online here.
Fifth frame auto.
Against Benson Seager, and now deals with
Nolan. Willie. Ooh, damn, that's a nice looking card, too, with the autograph, man.
1 for 3 tonight. His single
Before the ALCS and the ALDS. Only worth a couple bucks, probably. Big card now. Nice, a Rosarena. Clean. Beautiful 10 auto on that. That's sharp. Beautiful. RC logo right there, too. I said, deserves a sleeve. They all deserve sleeves. That deserves an extra sleeve. Yeah, Correa stole the show tonight. Rosarena had chances, too. Didn't come through.
Is a word you're not supposed to say out loud, whether you're talking about golf, right, or a pitcher. There have been pitchers, really talented pitchers over the years that, whether it's through anxiety or whatever it is, develop the yips, and Matzik is on that list. And all the credit.
Robbie Cano 3, nice Trout 2.
And now he's a big part, obviously, of the Braves bullpen working.
Busta Posey.
Of Game 4 of the NLCS.
There's Yoshi's Class 3 right there.
This is my own personal feeling about it, but once you lose mechanics, you lose feel. And once you lose feel, it goes mental. I don't think it goes mental before.
It's a blue Willie Mays at a 150.
That is a bullet down the left field line into the corner off the bat of Turner. He's starting to
Harper
heat
and
up.
Griffey. Let's see the
Second
autos.
hit of the night, and he has been given good at bats here in game number 4.
Big Mac and Matty Chapman. Oh boy, who is it? Johnny Burge. Damn, that is sweet.
Continues tomorrow. The Rays
Ooh, a little chase card comes out. That is one of the nicest cards I've ever seen. Jumbo game used bat. Beautiful 10 auto. 1 out of 5, Crowder. Man, that is sharp. Sharp, sharp, sharp.
Only on FS1.
Grab a quick pick of that. Damn.
The old reoccurring dream for baseball players' nightmares. Straight is they're going to miss the bus. They're going to miss the game. They're not going to wake up in time. Only happened to me once.
Beautiful card, man.
Worst feeling in the world when your team playing.
I know, normally that would be an easy Beckett decision, but you know you're not going to see it for probably 8 months. Just because that auto is so gorgeous. I'm actually doing a dual off one soon, Crowder. I can try and sneak that in with that so you can get the 10-10. Because that auto's a 10. You may as well get the auto graded too. I'll look into the pricing, and if it makes sense, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'll just regular PSA. That's beautiful, though. All right, 4 boxes left. Switch you into a Chronicles if you want, Greg. There's your frame. Knew that was coming, though.
So when you talk about, you know, the word you can't say, whether it's in golf, you know,
Alright, blue Kyle Lewis, Class 2.
they lose the
Beautiful
space
car.
or awareness of where their hand is, and then all of a sudden the ball starts going.
I know. I look in our closet every day, and I wonder if there's a Zion RPA staring at me in those cases, man. Every day. Nice Javi Class 3 there. Pretty card. There's a Robert Black again. Same thing though. Bad corner. Chippy. So no PSA on that. Nice blue Yount out of 150. KB2. Beautiful Trout 3 right there.
Baseball, whether it's a second baseman having a hard time throwing the ball, and you see all the positions.
Nico Black. Solaire Bregman. And the frames. I don't think the logo man's been pulled unless somebody pulled it and didn't show anybody. Arenado, Donnie Baseball, and another Arozarena. Man, Crowder having himself a break. 2 beautiful Arozarenas. Apparently he signed a lot of gold label. It's going to be nice for the Rays.
I was
Pretty.
so many times, so many different places, so many different avenues. And there's always that question in your mind, like, oh, will I ever work again?
I couldn't find a job. Then somebody introduced me to the
fat
Indeed.
pack.
I was home when I got the job offer, but I was excited. I was like, oh, wow, like, I got the job.
Dolly
Not only helped me get my career off the ground, it got me not just the job, but the job I want to do forever.
What's he gonna chase? The slider? Nah. The changeup?
Okay, Nico Black border and a Strasburg Class 2 hitting. That's kind of neat.
Never halfway.
On Coupe Tire.
The blue is Timmy Anderson. Thought it might be Robert at first, but no.
Scent of lavender by Downy Infusions Calm. Laundry isn't done
Ichiro and
until it's
Mookie.
done with Downy.
DeGrom out of 150 blue, puck, and base.
Returning on
See
5G
that autograph?
across the country
Yeah.
with a coverage of 5G nationwide.
Dude, that Chronicles is nice, Greg.
The unprecedented
Promise.
performance of Ultra
Bellinger,
the fastest
Black Real
5G in the
Muto, Logan Webb. There we go.
and how
Coming back down to
businesses
earth
do
off the Rosarenas and Bichettes and the
because
Johnny
we
Bench.
built it the easy way.
Nice Logan
We built
Webb.
it right. This is the 5G America's been waiting for, only from Verizon.
Today tastes like staying
2 left for you, Crowder. Doing both at
like
the
our
same time.
go-to place.
Frame.
Tastes like anticipating. And a little bit like waiting. Today tastes like a piece of action. And it never tasted this good.
Stuck there a little bit.
Go on a real vacation. Visit GoRV
RV.com or your nearest RV dealer.
Alright, so we're going to do both base stacks, and then we'll end it with your 2 autos, bro.
Subway footlong and
Saw a nice Jordan rookie there, too.
Try my favorite turkey. Order on the app.
Anything for my face. Try the new Subway buffalo chicken or barbecue chicken.
Tonight's telecast is sponsored by Verizon, the network more people rely on.
Okay, Strasbourg and the Rhine Express. Got a nice blue Javi Baez, Class 3. That's the rarest blue there is. Tatis 2 and a Soler.
Floro deals a strike to Austin Riley.
Cool McKay there.
Markakis and Pache. The next 2
Nice
hitters.
Robert. Damn, again. Every single Robert. See that chippiness in the bad bottom right? That is bizarre.
To show you how much was going on.
It does show up on a few cards, so it may not just be Robert.
I don't know.
Having bad luck there.
Into the bottom of the 6th.
Nice Bichette blue. Okay, that one's sharp.
Give or take, you know,
That's
2
pretty.
hour game.
91 out of 150 on the Bichette blue.
Bottom of the 6th, the top of the 7th was 1 hour and 9 minutes. That's how many people.
Okada and DeGrom. One more base stack, then we'll do your last 2 autos.
Strike 2 on Riley. Crazy. It really
You
is.
Lincoln Dolly Parton music. Correa out of 150.
6 outs. Took that.
Yoshi Class 1 there.
Left side and foul. And in those 6 outs, there were some incredible at-bats.
Pete,
So
Eloy, nice Nico.
tip your hat there.
There's the
Sometimes
Jordan.
as a pitcher, you don't wanna
Pretty,
ever give her
Lindy, Jackie, Sale, and Kepler.
They did their job. Another 1-2 to Riley is down and away. 2-2.
Okay, we got Xander and Mookie. Nicky Solak. And we got a Bregman, a Stanton, and your last auto is a Detroit Tiger, Jake Rogers. Pretty good 10 boxes, man. Good stuff. I got a little stack for PSA, just the big rookies that looked good. One question for you, Crowder. The Nico Black Class 3, do you want a PSA for your PSA or no? PSA for your PC. Let me say that backwards again. There we go.
As baseball speaks out in the spirit of positivity and inclusion. For more info on hashtag Spirit Day, follow at MLB.
Do you want a PC for your PSA? That one. Okay, I thought so. I had to set aside. So I got a couple of the Trouts that looked good, the Acuna numbered, and the Bo blue, and that was pretty much it for PSA. Cool. And of course the Johnny Bench too, and I'll get the Bo redeemed. Good stuff. You gonna roll with it, Greg? You sure?